Shall I start, sir?
Hello everyone. So welcome to the virtual campfire. As part of the Sankalp project, we are doing this, and since we are all staying at home and not much into scouting, and we are not able to meet up, so let's do this campfire. Make it a grand success. So I request everyone to switch off the lights now. We will start with the messages. So message from North by Manoj, then message from South by Shubha ma'am, then message from East by myself, Satyajit, then message from West will be from Anusha, and then Daniel sir will declare the campfire open. So Manoj, we can start now.
I am coming from the north direction. I have brought the message of knowledge.
I am coming from. I bring the message of a guide is trustworthy, a guide is loyal.
Guru Govind Dau Khare Kake Lagu Pae Balihari Guru Apno Govind Deo Bataye. I come from West with the message of peace.
I am from West and bring the message. A guide is a friend to animal and loves nature.
Good evening, one and all. I'm happy to be on this occasion, and I declare this virtual campfire open.
आग हुई है रोशन आओ आग के पास
आग हुई है
रोशन आओ आग के पास
आग हुई है रोशन आओ आग के पास
आग से
रोशन
अपनी बस्ती आग से
रोशन अपनी मस्ती
कैसे बुलंदी कैसे करस्ती
कैसे बुलंदी कैसे पस्ती
रंजो अलम को भूल बुलाओ आओ
आग के पास
आग हुई है
रोशन
आओ
आग के पास
सूरज डूबा निकले तारे
सूरज डूबा निकले तारे
खत्म हुए सब काम हमारे
खत्म हुए सब काम हमारे
मिलकर बाग जगाओ
आओ आग के पास
आग हुई है
रोशन आओ आग के पास
आओ आग के पास.
Thank you, everyone. Now I request the beloved Daniel sir to speak on this grand occasion.
Good evening, one and all. It's a great occasion for us. Actually, despite this COVID problem, we are all together here, virtually connected to show this world that scouts are always useful. And today I see that many scouts are doing a lot of useful work in the society, giving a lot of mileage to the uniform service. And we have heartily congratulate all of them. But going back to the days when Lord Baden-Powell started the scouting, as it was progressing, suddenly the World War came in between. And a lot of problems happened so that there were certain allegations against Lord Baden-Powell made by certain people, vested interests, that he is spying for the other countries. So the scouts were not allowed to be part of the service in the initial stages. Then Baden-Powell had to convince everyone, and then the rovers and scouts were allowed to do the background work, wherein scores of scouts and guides, they ventured into doing the first aid and doing a lot of work for the benefits of the soldiers and the society. Then the usefulness of the scouts was really recognized by the people all around the world, and thereon the parents were happy to send their children for scouting. So we have another occasion here right in front of us, be more useful in uniform than the other times. Now this is like a disaster, a health disaster which has occurred in the world. And wherever we are, where even if we are near our houses, not in the colleges, it's an opportunity for us now, so that we can go out and serve with the police, with the ASHA workers, or whoever is doing any good work. So some people may be serving food also. We can go and help in preparation of the food or getting the ration or the vegetables. Even in cutting the vegetables also is a service that we can do, though not if it's on a big scale. So I actually exonerate each one of you to take this opportunity, wear your uniform or at least a scarf, go out and serve the community, because it's the right opportunity for us. Our motto is service, and God has given us a great opportunity once again in our life, where we can show our presence to the world and prove to this world that scouting is very meaningful, it is very useful. And to our parents who are sending us to scouting, they will also be impressed with us. The people in the villages, in the cities, they will also be impressed with us, and our own organization will be very greatly influenced with us. I actually want to congratulate you for whatever work that you have done at home. Now it is an opportunity. Take this opportunity, go out and serve whoever is there in need of our services. I wish you all the best and thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, Sir. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Now I request Shubha ma'am to say the vote of thanks.
Yeah. Good evening to one and all present. I'm very happy that though in during this COVID-19 lockdown, we are still able to conduct virtual campfire because of the Zoom application. And I think all the students have got benefited, and they have got the awareness of how to do campfire when there is a lockdown situation. I thank our Daniel sir, Rover Scout leader Daniel Sukumar Das sir, for accepting the invitation and giving a small brief information about the scouting to our rovers and rangers. And I thank Satyajit Chatterjee, who is also a Rover Scout leader, and for hosting this program and linking all the students on this group. And I thank all the rovers and rangers who has participated in this virtual campfire meeting. Thank you. sir.
Thank you, Shubha ma'am. So I guess we are done with virtual campfire.
Closing song.
Yeah, and we'll do the closing song now. I request you to take the lead.
Okay. The campfire is no. Day is gone, gone the sun from the sea, from the hills, from the sky. All is well, safely rest. God is nigh. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks for participating. So stay home and stay safe. Keep working on your projects and submit it by April 30th. All the information has been shared in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Yes, group, all of you salute. As you are. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.